Understanding the phrase, final goodbye, an English language lesson. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, final goodbye. This phrase has a deep emotional context and is often used in literature and everyday conversation. Let's dive into its significance and how you can use it in your communication. Final goodbye refers to the last time you say goodbye to someone. This phrase often implies a sense of permanence, suggesting that you won't see the person again. It's commonly used in situations where someone is moving away forever, in the context of a relationship ending, or, more solemnly, when someone is nearing the end of their life. In this section, we'll explore how final goodbye is used in different contexts. For example, 1. Emotional partings. When someone is moving to a far-off place and it's unlikely you'll meet again. 2. End of relationships. When two people decide to end their relationship and part ways for good. 3. Literary use. In books and movies, this phrase often signifies a poignant, significant moment of farewell. 4. In remembrance. Sometimes used when talking about people who have passed away. 1. After years of friendship, saying the final goodbye was the hardest part. 2. The movie's climax was a touching scene where the characters shared their final goodbyes. 3. He knew that leaving his homeland meant a final goodbye to his childhood memories. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the essence of final goodbye. Some synonyms include last farewell, parting ways, end of the road, leaving for good. The phrase, final goodbye, carries a weight of permanence and emotion. Understanding its use in different contexts can enrich your English communication, especially in emotional and significant moments. We hope this lesson has been insightful and adds depth to your understanding of English phrases. See you in our next lesson.